Welcome back to online class. Hello students, viewers, how are you? How is today? Fine. Okay. Today I am going to discuss with IPC under section 372. Section 372 explain about selling minor for purpose of prostitution. Okay. The act says whoever sells, lets to hire or otherwise dispose of any person under the age of 18 years with intent that such person shall at any age be employed or used for the purpose of prostitution or illicit intercourse with any person or for any unlawful and immoral purpose, or knowing it to be likely that such person will at any age be employed or used for any such purpose, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also liable to fine. Based on this section, we have two explanations as per this act. The first explanation is when a female under the age of 18 years is sold or let for hire or otherwise disposed of to a prostitute or to any person who keeps or manages a brothel, the person so disposing of such female shall, until the contrary is proved, be presumed to have disposed of her with the intent that shall be used for the purpose of prostitution. Under explanation 2 of this section, for the purpose of this section, illicit intercourse means sexual intercourse between person not united by marriage or by any union or tie which, though not amounting to a marriage, is recognized by the personal law or custom of the community to which they belong, or where they belong to different communities of both such communities as constituting between them a quasi-marital relation. Okay students, under this sections requires number 1, selling. Okay, selling of woman. What is that nonsense? Or letting to hire, that means 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, something like. If you are taking any hire of any cycle, what happened? 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, something like what? The same thing they are treating like this. Okay, or other disposal of person. Number 2, such person should be under the age of 18 years, below 18 years. Okay. Number 3, the selling, letting to hire or other disposal must be with intent or knowledge of likelihood that the person shall at any age be employed or used for number 1, prostitution, or number 2, illicit intercourse with any person, or number 3, any unlawful and immoral purpose. Here the section applies males or females under the age of 18 years. Okay, males or females under the age of 18 years. It applies to a married or unmarried female even where such female prior to sale or purchase was leading an immoral life. It also applies where the girl is a member of the dancing girl caste. Okay. And this section deals with one who sells a person under 18 years, the next section punishes one who buys such a person. Okay. Here I just wanted to give the meaning of the sells, lets to hire, or otherwise of dispose of. First we discuss about these phrases. These words these words are the counterpart of the words buys, hires, or otherwise obtain possession occurring in section 373 of IPC. The performance of GGE, that means GGE, that means initiation ceremony, okay, on a minor girl does not amount to her disposal. The ceremony of tying a talimony to a minor girl, worshipping a basin of water by her, and distributing food is merely a preliminary step before the selling, a letting out or disposing of the girl for the purpose of prostitution, and is no offense under this section. Okay, no offense under this section. Okay, person under the age of 18 years, this section applies to all persons under 18 years, whether males or females. And another point of view in the same section, with the intent that such person shall at any age be employed or used for the purpose of prostitution or illicit intercourse with any person or for any unlawful and immoral purpose. It is necessary to show that the accused intended that the person shall be employed for an immoral purpose. Here the introduction of the verse at any age takes away the defense that though a girl was made over to a prostitute, it was not intended that she should actually be used for the purpose of prostitution until she had passed the age of 18 years. The word prostitution is not confined to acts of natural sexual intercourse, but include any act of lewdness, that means lewdness, lewdness. It means surrender of a girl's chastity for money. Surrender of a girl's chastity of money, receiving money. Okay. And the words illicit intercourse with any person are explained in explanation 2 of this IPC section. The accused cannot now rely on the plea that the girl was not destined for life of prostitution, but merely for a single act of sexual intercourse. Cases which lay down that no offense was committed if employment for prostitution was not habitual or no longer of any authority. Okay. And another point of this section, adoption daughter by dancing girl. What does mean that? Adoption daughter by dancing girl. Such adoption would be an offense if it was done with the intention or knowledge specified in this section. The burden of proof of that the possession of the girl is not given to or obtained by a prostitute for a leading an immoral life is on person who gives the possession of such girl and the person who receives the girl under explanation 1 to the section and section 373 of IPC. Okay. Okay students, we'll discuss another section with another video class. Okay. Stay with Legal Mind. Please watch regularly this channel. don't miss it. Okay, simultaneously how to improve your reading knowledge and hearing of this videos. Okay, continue to study and win your achieve. Okay, thank you all. Bye.